Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Sense or Sense. My name is Evan, and today I bring you Planning Pitfalls. This is a series that I put together of relatively short videos that I want to provide after 20 plus years of being in the industry about what you should try to avoid with financial planners and also financial planning in general. And today I want to talk to you guys about brokerage accounts and broker dealers, what to look for, what to avoid, and some things to really consider when choosing a broker dealer for your long-term holdings. So the first thing I want to talk about is not all broker dealers are the same. Some broker dealers are out there for trading. Some broker dealers are out there for investing. Some broker dealers are out there to try to grab as many of your fees as possible. I personally want to share with you the two broker dealers towards the end of this video that I find the most valuable and I've used and I've vetted over many years. I've told my clients over the years to use these broker dealers, and I've just found that they have the least amount of problems and the ease of being able to access the markets. So first of all, I don't want to name any specific broker dealers these days with fees or anything like that I dislike, but I do want to say the things to look out for. You want to look out for how much you're paying for commissions. Most companies nowadays don't have commissions. Most broker dealers don't have commissions, but some of these firms still charge commissions, and you need to look out for that. I don't think you should be paying commissions, but at the same time, a lot of broker dealers are also making spreads on transactions. And some of these spreads are not as advantageous to you as a trader. I have found that there are a couple of broker dealers out there that we'll talk about here in a minute or two that really look out for your best interest. And that's what the most important thing is, in my opinion. Second of all, one of the other things that I like about these broker dealers, and I'm going to name them here in a minute, is that they will send you statements regularly that describe everything that's going on in your account without it making it look like something that's extremely complicated. They will issue tax forms to you on time. This is something that's very important at the end of the year when you're trying to get your taxes done. A lot of these broker dealers will hold off until March and April to send out your tax documents. You might have already filed your taxes, and now all of a sudden you're finding that you're going to have to file an amended return because they're taking too long to send the information out. So the two broker dealers that I have found to be the most valuable are Fidelity and Schwab. They give you great access to the markets. They are very simple to establish accounts with online. They don't really have any minimums these days. They're not charging you any stock or ETF transaction fees on a regular basis. Their teams seem to work well on when you put in an order and giving you the best execution price, price improvement, which is basically the concept that even though you're putting your trade out there, they'll look for a better price for you in the marketplace. These are important factors to take into consideration. There are no hidden fees that I've been able to find over the years, and ultimately you can set up retirement accounts, regular brokerage accounts, trust accounts, 529 accounts. You can have all your accounts at one broker dealer, and these two companies have shown time and time again they're very timely with issuing tax statements so that you can get your taxes done at the end of the year. They do charge for options, small fees, ranging between about 50 cents and 65 cents per contract. But I've found that they give better pricing most of the time on those options contracts than some other companies out there. They'll also issue you discounts on those particular transactions if you're doing a certain amount. Like I've been able to reduce my overall fee per transaction quite a bit at Schwab and Fidelity by asking for discounts based on volume. So again, to recap this today, I think the biggest thing to take away from this is not all broker dealers are the same. Some charge a lot of fees, some delay when they issue statements and then therefore cause you issues down the road. Some are just not as user friendly, and sometimes, getting everything for free in the sense of free options trades at some of the broker dealers, free other transactions, is not the best, because it means that you're going to end up paying for it somehow, some other way on the back end. So again, my advice is to stick with the big guys. Fidelity and Schwab have shown me for many years that they can help you out. They give you the best pricing structure. They give you the best reports. They're timely, and it's important for you as a consumer to not be troubled every single year with problems around tax time. That's a major thing that I've found, is a lot of the other broker dealers will wait and wait and wait, and or issue corrected forms, and it will just trip you up at tax time. So I don't think very many people talk about that, but ultimately I think that's one of the biggest planning pitfalls, is avoiding the broker dealers that do that. And I have not had those issues with Schwab and Fidelity over the years. So this was Planning Pitfalls, and I wanted to bring you this information based on my 20 plus years of being in the industry. My name's Evan. This is Sense or Sense. This channel is all about helping you guys out. I don't make any money on sponsors. I would appreciate it if you guys could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I can bring you more planning pitfalls, more credit card data, more information about the industry, and leave a comment below what particular topics that you'd like to hear from me in the next coming months. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks. I'll see you next time.